Divorce and custody litigation can be random, arbitrary, and clumsy. If you don't let the government decide what food you eat, what job you take, or where you live, why would you let the government decide your family business if you can avoid it? If you and your ex can't agree upon anything, or if you're dealing with parental alienation, you'll need a judge. But if you're both on speaking terms and you have children, you owe it to them to try to collaborate and negotiate, not fight and litigate. Here's a clip from a family law documentary, Divorce Corp, discussing mediation.
Many Americans are completely unaware that there's an alternative to getting divorced in court.
Don't let the court decide it for you if they don't have to.
When you go to court, what you have is a tinderbox, and virtually anything can ignite that tinderbox. And the lawyers, frankly, often are throwing gasoline on that fire.
We're going to fight you. And even if you win, you will think you lost.
If what people want is a durable solution, one that's not going to have them coming back to court every couple of years to modify the support arrangement or modify the parenting plan, then a mediated or collaborative law solution is going to work much better for them. The goal is to move that case out of the courtroom, out of the place where gasoline is going to be thrown into that tinderbox, create a safe place for a difficult conversation. That's what mediation does.
People like its control. They like the privacy.
You can offer some creative solutions to maybe division of property that a judge can't do.
People are much more likely to adhere to conclusions, decisions, agreements that they arrive at. And a collaborative law process or mediation process is really good practice for the negotiation they're going to have to do in the years ahead when they have the very challenging task of co-parenting.
There are many people who can work out a parenting plan, even though they have very different values and very different views of how to go through it.
It gets parties started on a new way of working with each other, negotiating with each other.
And doing well for their children, and how well children can come out when their parents do not expose them to conflict. And that is virtually impossible in the litigation system.
Although mediation and collaborative law have a huge success rate, the false promise of winning more money in court is often far too powerful to resist.
Whereas family law litigation can leave you frustrated and powerless, mediation can help you maintain control of your life, reach a compromise with your co-parent, and substantially reduce the expenses of separating. One key tip with mediation: if you do commit to mediating with your ex, be sure to get a referral to a mediation-friendly attorney for the legal part. That applies to both you and your ex. Lawyers are often trained to litigate rather than collaborate, so you want an attorney who understands the mediation system and the importance of maintaining civility. Otherwise, your hard work and the work of the mediator will just be undone. So, please give mediation a try and share the video with someone else who you think this can help. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and watch other videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.